Meet North Texas Cat Rescue. We are a nonprofit, all-volunteer organization made up of a network of foster homes. We take in injured cats and give them the time and medical help needed to heal. We help cats in overly full shelters. We foster ill cats and nurse them back to health. NTCR places the cats in foster care for resocialization and regularly runs adoption events to find permanent homes for them. If you would like to help, we have donation opportunities, foster opportunities, and volunteer opportunities. Visit NorthTexasCatRescue.com for more information on our available cats or on ways that you can help.